If my goal was to lose weight, I would do this way. Let's imagine this together. For example, me. I want to lose 6 kilos of fat. I never exercised before, or maybe in the past I forgot everything. I'm working in an office from 8 to 5. I don't have time to cook, I don't have time to train, to walk. I don't have time for nothing. I'm exhausted after work. So how can I lose 6 kilos of fat? Where do we start? Don't worry, I'm going to break it down and 5 simple steps will help you to lose body fat. Even you're busy, even if you don't have time and you're not motivated, but you wanna lose weight. Step number 1, create a goal and ask yourself why. Why do you want to lose weight? Before anything, you need a clear goal. Ask yourself, do you want to feel more confident? Or do you want to have more energy, improve your health? Or maybe come on vacation and you want to look the best? Write down why. Why do you want to do this? And it will keep you consistent even when life gets busy. Next, be specific with your goal. How many kilograms do you want to lose? Let's say I want to lose 6 kilos. Set a realistic time frame. For example, 3 months. That means aiming for 2 kilos per month. It's so important to have both long-term goals and short-term goals. Now make a simple plan for first 4 weeks and write out everything. Include your daily habits, daily steps, workouts, meal prep, how are you feeling, sleep quality, water intake, everything you want to change in your life. Place this plan on your fridge with a magnet. Every time you walk past, check off what you have completed. It will keep you motivated, and when everything goes well, you will see the progress every week. Number 2, nutrition. Change what's easy first. Nutrition is about 80% of fat loss, and this is where the biggest changes happen. So let's imagine my typical day. At work, from 8 to 5. On the way to work, I get coffee with milk. During the day, I have 2 more cappuccino at work. On my lunch, I have, for example, sushi, pie, or anything takeaway from the local shop. Dinner, same, takeaway, because it's easy and I don't have time, and it's of course yummy. Why not? Takeaway is always yummy. But how much sugar and sodium there? We don't know. Calories? We don't know. We just enjoy. And plus, 2-3 glasses of wine every evening. So here's what I would change first. To make it more realistic and stick to my goals, I would start with coffee and change my coffee from the shop to protein coffee, making at home. I would swap at least 1 coffee with protein powder and almond milk. Make it overnight and keep it in the fridge. Cold coffee ready to go. And then at work, instead of having 2 cappuccino, I would have 1, reduce 1. Instead of having 2, or maybe have 1 cappuccino and 1 tea. We all know protein is very important for weight loss and keep us full. So, adding protein first thing in the morning is a game changer. I would definitely do this. Second, I would add breakfast to my life. Okay, I don't like breakfast, I don't have time, I'm not hungry, but I would try. And my breakfast would be so easy. It will be overnight prepared. I will find time, 10 minutes to prepare my overnight protein oats, or maybe protein smoothie, or maybe omelette, because protein oats I can prepare for 3-4 days. I don't need to make every evening, so I prepare and I take it with me to work. With my dinners, it will be a little bit difficult because I don't have time and I'm very tired after work, so I would not cook. So what I would do, on Sunday evening, I would prepare few meals. Yes, I spend Sunday half day of meal prep. I would prepare baked chicken breast with vegetables, and I can use for sandwiches or dinner with a salad. Baked salmon, same, you can have it with a salad, or lean steak. And of course, I would use less oil as less as possible and use probably spray or limit my oil. Takeaway and alcohol, what to do with that? Takeaway I would reduce for once a week and alcohol only on the weekend, not every day. Okay, I'm not cutting completely, but I'm reducing. And I will add water. Water is very important for weight loss and overall health. And me, I don't like water. I'm not drinking water and I don't have time and I don't like water. So what I would do infused water. I will make my own infused water with lemon and few frozen berries. It's so yummy. It's like cocktail. So I would add water definitely. And you know, by making realistic swaps, like changing your coffee, starting preparing your breakfast, reducing wine, this is where you will see results. This is the good start. Small things. Step number 3, daily movement. Steps and walks. So me, I'm a person who walks 3,000 steps, maybe 4 maximum. So it's me getting to work, back, and also walking from kitchen to bathroom, and that's it. Maybe to the shop to get my lunch. How can I increase my steps? All right, here's the plan. And we create the plan to walk 10 minutes first week, every second day. We don't need to walk every day, every second day. For example, I'm very busy at work, but I have lunch. And instead of looking at my phone and check all the reels and shorts and videos other people walk or do, instead, I would go for my walk. And I write it down in the plan. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10 minutes walk during lunch. If I can't make it, I go after my work, 10 minutes. Next week, I would add 5 minutes more. Next week, 3 walks and again, 15 minutes. Week number 3, I will add 5 more, 20 minutes. 3-4 walks, no more than that, every second day. Maybe on weekend a little bit more. So I see how I feel. So this is how I will build this habit to walk more. And on week 4, I will walk maybe 25 minutes. Easy. And to make it more enjoyable, because I know we don't have time, we're not feeling well, we find all the excuses. And to enjoy, I would listen some podcast. I would listen someone who motivates me to, achieve my goals, to help me with my goals. So I would listen some speakers, bloggers. If I would miss my walks during week, so I would cover on the weekend and go for 2 longer walks. Because there is no excuses. I have a plan. I didn't stick. I have to do it on the weekend, right? Step number 4, strength training. Simple and effective. Okay, let's be real. The person who never exercise. What to do? The person who always tired after work and don't have time to exercise, don't have money for gym, and what else? And don't have motivation and don't know what to do. That's me. So what should I do? How can I start my training? What I would do? Again, we're going back to our plan. Walks are here and workouts. I would start with body weight workout. Only 20 minutes. No more than that. For beginners and no equipment. So you don't need to buy anything. Maybe just yoga mat. That's it. And I will do 2 workouts a week. 2 workouts, for example, Monday and Thursday, or Tuesday and Friday. Doesn't matter. 2 workouts. So check it out. I posted the video of 20 minutes for beginners, no equipment. You can do anywhere, it's just no excuses. And I write it down. The week number 1, 2 workouts, 20 minutes. Okay, another question. When can I do this workout if I don't have energy after work? Okay, I would wake up half an hour earlier to do this workout in the morning, because I'm a morning person, I'm not evening person. I would give it a go and I will try to do my morning session. I will try. Who knows? Maybe I will like it. Of course, you have to try. And something very easy. Week 1, 2, and 3, I would do body weight. And maybe on week 4, I would invest in dumbbells to do some exercises with just dumbbells. Just a little bit challenge myself. Another question, what about exercises? I don't know. Okay, ChatGPT will help you. If you don't have money for personal trainer, that's okay, don't worry. Look at internet, look at ChatGPT and ask what exercises. I would do just simple ones, like squats, for example, body weight squats, or lunges, static lunges, or walking lunges. Improve your balance and also build strength in your legs. And it's so good for weight loss. So try the small exercises. And next one, I would definitely add push-ups to improve strength in my upper body. Push-ups, definitely. Core exercises, crunches, plank, side plank, simple. And I would train for 20 minutes. But if I feel it's easier, so I would increase for 30 minutes, no more than that. And morning will work for me. And step number 5, track progress and stay realistic. So the first thing what I would do when I start my fitness journey, I would measure myself. With a tape measure, I would measure chest, waist, belly button because it's more fat is here, and hips, legs, thighs, left and right, arms, and I will write it down with a date when I started. Then I would take pictures, front, side and back. I would be standing like this, and even video I will record myself, how I look, and less clothes is better. So you can see all the areas where you need to lose body fat, and you will see such a good results. When you put before and after, you will see good results, and it will inspire you for future. Then you could go back and say, no, I don't want to be there, I want to be here. And I will weigh myself every week and write it down. The measurements every month, weight every week. I would track everything, my sleep, energy, water intake, how many glasses I have like every day. So it will keep me motivated and also keep me on track. Because if you write it down, if you see what you did yesterday, so you see your day, you've done nothing, so probably you will be like, yeah, I have to do this, I have to drink water, I have to go for my walk. So track everything. And that's my weight loss plan, 5 steps. Easy, right? This is what I would do if I needed to lose weight. Believe me, once you start changing your habits and start following simple steps, you're gonna lose weight. You will see. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you need any workouts video or maybe meal prep, please let me know. I will record it for you. Remember one thing, small and consistent steps create big results. You got this.